This is from Amazon. Carpet rubber pad. Some felt in it. Huh. I don't know if they sent me the wrong one. It said 12 by 12 by 46. I ordered 8 feet by 10 feet. Let's see. Big Joe. You wanna sniff it, Carter? Let's just see if it fits. Okay. Pretty thick, 3/8 with a rubber padding. Pretty squishy too. I think we have to roll the old carpet up. We're gonna have to roll you up, Carter. Let's see if it fits. Looks like it fits.
Mm-hmm.
This over top. By the way, the rubber is the checkerboard spot. Keep it from slipping. All right. Probably have to cut it. This is a little too long.
Mm-hmm.
I have to cut this. Step on it. It's like a lot softer.
Mm-hmm.
More cushion.
It's nice.
Oh, found this toy. Alright, I'm gonna use some Cobalt shop scissors. It's pretty sharp. You gotta be careful not to cut the the carpet. It's pretty tough because it's rubber on the bottom. This carpet's not straight. What are the other? Yeah, if you don't have any sharp scissors, probably it's hard to go through this. Probably have to use a blade.
Think a box cutter will work?
Yep. Almost there, right?
Pretty close there.
Oh my goodness. I don't even feel like cutting this off.
You can cut it tomorrow.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, we gotta shop that scissor later. How do you shop a scissor? Did you just put two scissors together and?
That could be a thing. Trims. Perfect.